20 million views, 16 million views, 15 million views, and millions more. This video made $2,100. This video made $1,600, which only took 5 seconds to create and overall got a massive 116 million views. In this video, you'll know what niche this is, how you can make videos like that using only AI without hiring anyone. I show the RPM of this niche at the end, show proofs of earnings, and tell how much you can make. This is a niche that is very easy to monetize.
What happened, babe?
Our dog gave birth to a human-like puppy.
Oh,
The puppy is very cute.
And it doesn't require so much hard work like the history niches or scary storytelling niches, where you have to go and generate all the stuff from separate AIs. So let's start. The niche I'm talking about is called the fake text story niche. This is the channel that has been doing great and getting millions of views. One thing I liked about this niche is that you keep getting consistent views. For example, this channel is getting an average of 50,000 views on its videos, which is awesome. These are actually bigger views if we compare them to a 4 million subscriber channel called FitFix. His second last video got 14,000 views only, and in the past, his videos got 20,000 to 40,000 views consistently, despite having 4 million subscribers. I'll tell you the RPM of this niche and show earnings proof at the end, but now that you know this niche is awesome, it's time to tell you how to actually make these types of videos. I know it may seem like you need to do everything on your own, like get the clips from some third-party apps, get the script ready from ChatGPT and blah blah blah, but that's not the case. Actually, there is an AI tool called VidDo AI through which you can make these types of videos within just 5 seconds. But before we continue to make the video, first we need to know what story we want to make the video on. If you talk about my strategy, which I always recommend to beginners, you should go to your competitor's channel and filter it by most popular. Then analyze their videos, why they went viral and what concept they used, and use the same concept in your videos. That way, we already have proof that this video has the potential to go viral. For this video, we will just ask the AI to make a funny conversation between a boy and a girl, choose the tone, and click on generate. In just a few seconds, it created the video.
Dude, I swear something weird just happened.
What now, John?
My Alexa started talking to me.
Yeah, that's literally what it does.
If you think you need to edit something, you can just use the video editor. After it's done, you can just upload the video on your channel and start earning money. But if you want to make videos in some other niche, they have a Faceless short section here where they give you the option to make videos in other niches as well. You can also just ask it to create any type of video you have in mind, or paste the script you got from ChatGPT.
Forest, whispers of the past echo through the trees, warning the—
No, Alex. She said my name.
Okay, and?
Then she said, run.
Are you serious?
Now that you know how to make these videos, it's time to show how much RPM this niche actually gets. The average RPM of this niche ranges between 0.8 to $1. It mostly depends on where your audience is from. If your audience is mostly from high purchasing power countries, you will always get a higher RPM. So if you get 1 million views, you can earn $100. If you get 10 million views, you can earn $1,000. If you get 100 million views, you can earn $10,000, which is massive. If you create multiple channels in this niche, you can earn a lot. So this was the video.